About arrow function. Okay, what are an arrow function? An arrow function are a shorter syntax for writing functions in JavaScript. They are introduced in ECMAScript 6 to simplify function expressions. They offer more concise code and are especially useful for callback, promises, and functional programming patterns. Key features: have a concise syntax. Arrow functions remove the need for the function's keyword. Unlike traditional functions, arrow functions don't have their own this content. They inherit this from the surrounding scope. Implicit return. In a single expression function, the return keyword can be omitted and the result is returned automatically. Okay, what advantages have this arrow function? Is simpler and more readable, is ideal for small inline functions, but can to have limitation because we cannot be used as constructor. They don't have their own this. Is not suitable for methods that need their own this. Also, the arrow function is ideal for array method like dot map, dot filter, and dot reduce. Okay, let's starting this episode. We do step by step, and we will learn in this episode about arrow function. Okay, let's start it. For we create a normal function, and this normal function we will transform in arrow function. Okay, writing here a normal function, normal function. Okay, when you create a function, you put keyword function, after you put the name of function, brackets, and statement with curly brackets. Inside this curly brackets you put the code who will be executed from machine. Okay, I put hello world. Okay, when you create a function, you should to have two parts. The first part is this: when you create, you define and create a function, and the second part is when you call the function. If you don't call the function, you didn't see nothing in console, or doesn't appear nothing when you execute the code. And now for calling the function, you put the name and these brackets. Okay, let's run. Error console. What error is this? Console is not a function. Okay, if I receive this error, I have a hint console. I will go to the console and I see here that I don't write all syntax. Should to console.log. Okay, should to write console.log. I write console.log and look, appear in the right side hello world. Okay, I have a normal function without parameters. Yes, if you analyze this function, we see that there are not a parameter, and the next step is to transform this function in an arrow function, and I write a comment: transform this function in arrow function. Okay, for transforming this function in arrow function, we analyze the normal function. We have this function. Arrow function is different. It's have a different structure, like normal function, unlike normal function. And when you create an arrow function, you should to assign to a variable this function. It's mandatory in more situations. Okay, and for this I create a variable const. I put hello arrow. The name of function is hello arrow, and I assign the arrow function to this variable. I analyze one more this function, and I see that I don't have parameter. Yes, it's empty, this zone. Okay, I put this without parameters. After this I put an arrow. This is an arrow. Yes, is for arrow function. And after this I put the statement, these curly brackets, and between these curly brackets I put the code that will be executed. Hello world. From arrow function I will write from arrow function. I put here, okay, hello world. I have this function, correct, but my arrow function doesn't work. What happened with my arrow function? Let's analyze, and maybe we'll discover the problem. Okay, we have an arrow function. We know that an arrow function should be assigned to a variable. I have this variable const hello arrow. I assign the function to this variable. This is the function, but I didn't call this function. I didn't call this function, and is normal to don't appear nothing in my right side. Okay, let's call the function hello arrow, and now hello world from arrow function. I have here two functions, a normal function hello world, yes. Again, a function have two parts. When you define and you create the function, and the part where you call the function. And I have an arrow function, two parts, yes. The function, the arrow function, who are assigned to a variable, yes. When you create an arrow function, it's mandatory to assign to a variable in this case. And here we call the function. Okay, this is an arrow function without parameter. Let's create now a function with parameter. Okay, with parameters, sorry. And I write here normal function with two parameters. Normal function with two parameters. Okay, we have 2 seconds. Let's create a function with two parameters. Let's see. when you create a function, put the keyword function greet. Okay, statement, and here should to put two parameter because we are say that make two parameters. The first parameter name and the second parameter age, and inside we put console.log hello. Let's put with interpolate, yes, with backticks. Hello, my name is, yes. When you create with interpolate, we put dollars and curly brackets, and in curly brackets we put the name of variable, and I am, again dollar, curly brackets, and the name of variable old. Okay, let's run, and empty. Our function doesn't work. Why? We have this function with two parameters, name and age, and inside of we have this code. Okay, we don't call the function with argument greet, and put here John with strings, yes, with quotes, and age 29. Let's see. Hello, my name is John and I am 29 old. Okay, now I want to transform this function with two parameters in an arrow function. Okay, we know that when we create an arrow function, we should to assign the function to a variable, no? And I write const arrow function to parameters, const arrow function to parameters equal, and I create here a function, put two parameter name age. After I put the sign with arrow, an arrow, and a statement where I write the code. I write the code, and after this I call the function, because if I don't call this function, doesn't work. Okay, I put here again John, (29), and I modify here, and I am 29 old. Hello, from arrow function with two parameters. Let's see. Hello from arrow function with two parameters. My name is John and I am 29 old. Okay, this is an arrow function, yes. And output is this. You see here, hello from arrow function. And this is a normal function, is the same function, but without arrow. My name is John. Hello, my name is John, and I am 29 old. Okay, let's continue to create a function. This arrow function are ideal for set timeout function in JavaScript. Set timeout is a function who delay the execution of code. You put the number of seconds and the code will be executed with delayed. Okay, let's create a set timeout. Set timeout, a callback, and inside this set timeout we put an arrow function. Yes, without parameter. Here you see set timeout, and the statements, and this inside I create a console.log this message when we will write this message is displayed after 4 seconds. Okay, if I write 4 seconds, should to put after statements the number of seconds 4000 in millisecond, and run 1 2 3 4. This message is displayed after 4 seconds. Okay, again 1 2 3 4. Okay, you see here this message is displayed after 4 seconds with capitalize hash because I wrong. Okay, and I write here arrow functions are used in set timeout and set interval functions. Okay, also set timeout are used arrow functions are used with array methods. When you have array, when you work with array methods, we use this arrow function. Let's create an array. Const. An array is a variable with more variable inside it. Okay, const numbers equal brackets 1 2 3 4 5. We have an array with 1 2 3 with 5 elements, and we want to using map with an arrow function. What we want to use this map because function map modify the array. Okay, modify the array and follow a condition. Let's see. For example, we want to obtain a new array with new numbers, but multiply with 2. Okay, let's create a new variable, const multiply 2, equal, we have a name of array numbers, where you want to iterate in numbers. Now in array numbers, what is the name of method? Name of method is map. We want to modify all element from array, and here we write number. Number is current element from array, arrow function, number or 2. And now we display console.log array, our array multiply 2. Yes, let's see the result. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1 multiply 2, 2. 2 multiply 2, 4. Okay. 3 multiply 2, 6. 4 multiply 2, 8. 5 multiply 2, 10. Okay, when you use, you see here, just I show you that this arrow function is used in the array method. If you don't understand this code, is not a problem. We don't do still the iterate, for, while, or do while, the loops. Just retain this function, the arrow function. Also you can use arrow function with other method of array, like filter. Let's create a new array, or the same let me to take this. Okay, and I use filter const numbers. Filters is another method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now we create a new variable const filtered array equal okay, the name of array where do you want to filter is this number filter. Method is filter dot filter, and after we should to put here a condition. What do you want to filter? Let's filter just the name from 2 by 2, even number. No, okay, for this we should to put a condition. We put the current element from array number, arrow function, number modulo 2 equal 0. If you want to obtain number like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, you put here modulo 2 equal 1. Console.log and the name of array, this filtered array. Let's start 2, 4. You see here 2, 4, 2, 4, all even numbers. Okay, you can put here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, run, you'll see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, just the even numbers. Also, you can to use this arrow function in other method array, just like for each sort or other method. With array, it's a good way to use this arrow function. It's simple and and you can make quickly a function who work. Okay. Let's discuss now about anonym function, because you can use this arrow function to create anonym function. Anonym function is the function without name. Yes. Okay, let's write a normal function without name. We don't put function is in this case, or maybe we have in set timeout. Yes, we have anonym in set timeout. Here we don't have the name. Do you see? Here is not a name of function. This is an anonymous function. We don't create another. When you make an arrow function with anonym in set timeout. Okay. And for the final of this episode, I will show you one complicated function. Again, it's not necessary to know what this code do or how to create this code. Important is to understand the importance of arrow function. Okay, we have this function. We have here an arrow function now, because we assign the function to a variable. Our variable is greet users. Equal, you see here the sign arrow, that means you have an arrow function. You have here two parameters, greetings and names, with 3 points. This is the rest operator in JavaScript, and this parameters inside is a function with a condition. If names dot length equals 0, return no name provided. Dacă nu, if not, return greetings and these names. Okay, error, missing brackets after argument list. Argument list is here. Greet users. I don't know if it is okay. No. 2 seconds. Console.log greet users. We have a problem with brackets. Okay, again this is our variable greet users equal 2 parameters, greetings and the rest operator names. Here is an array names, an array with this element John, Alice, Bob. Arrow function, a condition if the array is empty, return no name provided, else return all elements. Now we iterate through names array, and we return another, you see here, another arrow function inside the map method. I will say you that inside an array method you use arrow function. Here another arrow function. In this code we have 2 arrow function, now this and this. And for example, if we want to put a set timeout, we can put again an arrow function. And that is all for today. I'm waiting for you to the next episode. I hope you understand what I write in this dashboard. I wish you all the best, and I waiting in the next episode.